In section 1, we learned about the tree diagram. That's how you handle this problem. In the first deck, a fourth of the deck is spades, a fourth is clubs, a fourth is diamonds, a fourth is hearts. So when you draw a card, it's going to be one of those four with equal likelihoods. On your second deck, again, you draw four cards. So if you drew a spade the first card, then you might draw a heart, diamond, club, or spade on the second card, and so on. So you can see there are 4, 4, 4, 4. There are 16 outcomes total. Therefore, the probability that we get two spades, well, there's only one way that can happen. Right there. Spade on the first draw, and a spade on the second draw. So there's one way out of 16. There's our probability. You can leave it exactly like that, or you can say 0.0625 or 6.25% probability. But we might as well just leave it.